people, so there is this show that has been released. It's called Choked, Paisa Bolta Hai, and it's on Netflix. And really, yeah, to be really honest, and it stars Sayani Kher and host of others, and it's a Anurag Kashyap, his production house, and so um, yeah, honestly, ऐसे शो को देखने के लिए भी like जस्ट एज मेरे वीडियोस देखने के लिए भी आपको हिम्मत चाहिए, लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर शो शोज अस, आई वोंट से रियल टाइम बॉम्बे or whatever. It's about very close up shots of someone's bathroom, and because it's basically all about this black money that has been stashed away in the drain pipe, and then it happens to rain down on this and Sayami Kher's character. And it's quite the premise of the show is interesting, but okay, I'll be honest, from an entertainment point of view, you want to watch things that are that especially in this lockdown phase, everybody is getting a close up view of their own drain system, and vessels in the sink and all. And so so that's what, for me, that was a bit difficult to digest. But otherwise, I mean, in terms of from an entertainment point of view, we all watch shows to take our mind off the kind of lockdown situation that is happening. But anyway, so try and watch it, people. It's called Choked, and try and watch it because it's a different experience. So, and when you think of it, movie making is that, right? It gives you a whole spectrum of experiences: fear, anger, hate, happiness, joy. So yeah, so Choked, Paisa Bolta Hai is a interesting show to watch. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.